7. Here I am trying to start the 2007 Yamaha V-Star 1100. Lights turn on, battery's good. I'm in neutral. Neutral, it's got some miles. I'm in neutral. It's on, and here we go. Just a click. That's it. No other sound. Any ideas what this could be? I have no idea. It's not the battery. Put a new battery in. Still the same thing. Nothing. Thanks. Let me know. Bye.